Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about place value chart. We already know that the decimal numbers have two parts, whole number part and the other is decimal part. First, let us talk about place and place value of whole number part. Ones place, the value is 1, tens place, the value is 10, hundred place, the value is 100, and thousand place, the value is 1000. One thing we can observe here that when we moving here from left to right, each time the value is decreased by 10 times. When we move further, we get place and place value of decimal part. When 1 is decreased by 10 times, it gives 1 upon 10 and that place is known as tenth. 1 upon 10 is decreased by 10 times, it gives 1 upon 100 and the places is known as hundredth. Further, 1 upon 100 is decreased by 10 times, it gives 1 upon 1000 and the place is known as thousandth. The whole numbers part is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, etc. And the decimal part is tenth, hundredth, and thousandth.
Types of decimal. A decimal number has two types, whole number and decimal number. Whole number part is left of the decimal part and the decimal part is to the right. Example 643.98. Whole number 643, decimal number 0.98.
Like and unlike decimal. Like decimal. Decimal having the same number of decimal place are called like decimal. Example 3.68, 52.73. Unlike decimal. Decimal having the different number of decimal place are called unlike decimal. Example 9.66 to 473.58.
Having the same number or decimal having the same number of decimal place are called unlike decimal. Example 5.26 dash 3.74 and 0.47 etc. Unlike decimal. Decimal have different numbers if decimal place are called unlike decimal. Example 16.243 dash 8.568 dash 0.14 etc. Thank you.
In which denominator are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimal fraction.
Types of decimal. A decimal number has two types, whole number and decimal number. Whole number part is left of the decimal part and the decimal part is to the right. Example 643.98. Whole number 643, decimal number 0.98.
Like and unlike decimal.